to another episode of Why Not Podcast. आज एक्चुअली हमारे पास, अच्छा पहले मैं बता दूं आज हमारे साथ है कौन. हमारे साथ है अनाइशा, यू हैव सीन हर. हमारे साथ है ऋषा, यू हैव सीन हर. राजस अवेलेबल नहीं था, so we had to, you know. नो बट जोक्स अपार्ट, आज हमारे पास सीरियसली कोई स्क्रिप्ट नहीं है, तो आज हम वही करेंगे जो हम बेस्ट करते हैं, गॉसिप. सो व्हाट्स लेटेस्ट गाइस?
What's trending?
Latent is latest.
Latent is latest.
I don't have membership, but I watch the ones. I'm not paying for it now.
But it's free.
No, there is only members wala also, no?
Yeah, but
इतना नहीं पता था भाई, मैं तो देखती हूँ
There
फ्री
is
पे
only
यूट्यूब पे.
members wala also, like the Badshah episode and all. It has only members and
but
stuff.
for like the episodes that are available for everyone,
Yeah, that I
even
watch.
them of like the A Murk apni chhavi sudhar. That is such a
Yeah, that's how I got to know about it. I didn't know it was a thing.
But don't you feel like these contestants that go on the show, like they know कि मेरी उड़ाने वाले हैं?
मेरा पर्पस ये था लेटेंट देखने का. मुझे पता नहीं, मैंने भी रील्स ही सबसे ज्यादा देखा था ना. फिर समय के रील्स बहुत ज्यादा पॉप होते हैं. जस्ट इन केस इफ यू गाइस डोंट नो, हमारे FTNMP से एक लड़की है जो सेवाश्री हु गॉट द प्राइज मनी, बिकॉज या उसका नंबर एग्जैक्ट मैच हो गया था. सेवाश्री,
So she went.
shout out to you.
कौन सा episode?
I don't remember the episode, but she was singing and about that thing जो तुमने कहा कि पार्टिसिपेंट जाते उनको पता है उनका मजाक उड़ेगा. उन्हें पता है
they
कि
go
होगा.
for that.
Yeah.
They go for clout
Of course,
also,
they
no?
are
Of
also.
course.
Bro, you get to be on Samay Raina's channel. What?
Yeah.
And it's not like a serious talent show that people are going there for their
Exactly.
talent.
It's all
But
fun.
some people actually come seriously. और फिर उनकी जब वो लेते हैं ना तब वो part of you like यार please इसको छोड़ दो.
No, I don't like it. It's fun.
If we were to go to Latent as contestants, what would you guys do?
मैं
तो
तो-
अपना क्या talent या latent या latent जो भी है बताते.
लैटेंट.
क्या बोल रहे हो?
मैं तो ड्रामा करती जाके, फुल ड्रामा. ड्रामा ही करती मैं
मतलब
जाके.
क्या है?
ड्रामा या
Acting,
डांस?
she acts also.
Acts, drama means acting. Drama,
not this drama.
Not this drama.
not this drama. Not drama वाला ड्रामा की कलेश कर रही हूँ, ऐसा नहीं. Like drama, proper acting and stuff. You guys should tell them about Risha's stalking skills.
I think Risha, if Risha ever went on Latent, you would get very offended.
I wouldn't.
Yeah.
You would.
तू तो उल्टे जवाब देगी.
मुझे लगता है मैं उल्टे
अरे
जवाब
but
दूंगी.
मैं भी
वो
दूंगी.
दे सकती है, वो भी दे सकती है, but वो उसको बुरा लगेगा.
But then ऐसा भी हो सकता है कि वो शायद मेरी इतनी बुराई ना भी करे और बाद में
नहीं
next show में मुझे
ऐसा
बुला
नहीं
ले.
हो सकता, ऐसा नहीं हो सकता है. Imagine Risha judging that. Risha,
भाई अगर वो हुआ, मैं सच कह रही हूँ, नहीं मैं कुछ बोलूंगी नहीं भाई. इंटरनेट पे कई भी चीजें फिर करनी पड़ती है. नहीं भाई कुछ नहीं करूंगी. समय रैना ने गलती से देख लिया अपना वीडियो तो, और मैंने कह दिया, अब वो बुला दिया.
समय रैना देख लिया वीडियो.
क्या पता, you never know.
You never know, dude.
Bro, I'm doing celeb management just FYI.
हम
You never know.
हम पब्लिसिटी कैसे करेंगे अपने इस पॉडकास्ट की? ऑब्वियसली हम लिखेंगे इंडियाज गॉट लेटेंट.
हाँ ट्रू, वो तो डालेंगे.
Clickbait करेंगे.
क्लिकबेट करेंगे. क्लिकबेट अच्छा उस पे क्या राय है तुम्हारी?
I think
I
ठीक है
have it
व्यूज
for
के
it.
लिए.
हाँ,
Yeah.
ठीक है यार, मतलब इतना relevant नहीं
But
है.
I don't like it when there's news and all. You know, ऐसे YouTube पे
हाँ.
news के लिए they put ऐसे fake stuff. You
Yeah,
get
yeah.
my नानी and नाना they believe it. भाई ये सब ये नहीं है, ये true नहीं है. आपको समझाना
भी
पड़ता
इतना
है.
problematic है, I'm
Yeah.
telling you.
Yeah.
WhatsApp University.
Our parents don't believe us only. हम क्या बोल रहे हैं? हम कह रहे हैं ऐसा नहीं है. वो कहेंगे अरे ये WhatsApp पे आया ऐसा ही है.
हाँ.
ये क्या बात है भाई?
That is very irritating.
But do you think like हमसे भी younger generation देख रही होगी Latent?
Obviously. I have cousins. who
Is
are younger
Latent
watching.
sort of the new sort of like AIB? क्या कह सकते हैं सब?
You can say that, but I think it's better because it doesn't have. It's not about the famous people. It's about
Yeah.
Yeah,
general.
that is
yeah.
true.
And it's इतना censored नहीं है जितना AIB है. AIB is on your face. They're roasting you. They are like finishing you.
But they are also roasting you. इधर यहाँ के roast देखे dude भाई मैं रो दूँ अगर मैं उधर जाऊँ तो.
I think I have a very Big Boss personality.
Same.
Guys, I'm out of this.
I think I can go to Big Boss also.
But
Big Boss के latest seasons कैसे लग रहे हैं?
I mean, it's very thanda, bro.
है ना? The banger season was like Siddharth Shukla wala season 13.
Yeah, that was my favorite. I only saw
grown up
that.
watching
I've
Big
never
Boss.
seen Big Boss. I've only seen that
I've grown
season.
up watching Big Boss and I haven't watched वो
No,
वाला
that's the
season.
only season
Huh?
I've seen.
And
Because I love
everyone gives me
Shehnaz
hate
Gill
for
also.
that.
Shehnaz Gill,
I
yes.
love. I think you're very like her.
Yes, dude, 101%. Shehnaz Gill and Siddharth Shukla, they were like my favorite contestants. Like Shehnaz was funny and Shukla had the guts to, like stand up for himself. Okay, guys, Rodi is also coming back, by the way.
You know, Run Vijay.
Run Vijay.
to Rodi.
Yes, Run Vijay.
Rodi's.
He's, I think, one of the best mentors they can like really have.
Yeah, and Rodi's तब तक चल रहा था तब तक Run Vijay था यार. Come on, like
Now he's back, Neha is back, Prince is back.
we also have
Really?
Riya.
Yeah. Riya, I think, is a new.
Congratulations, you also have Elvish Yadav. I don't know if we
I
have
have no
him.
idea. But then speaking of that, Raghu was also on Latent recently.
Yeah.
You saw that episode,
Yeah,
the most
yeah,
recent
Oh
one.
yeah, और उसका फिर वो क्या
वो
कहते हैं?
Nunchucks वाला.
Yeah, oh that was too good. That was
अरे उसका क्या कहते हैं अपना इंडियन आइडल वाला भी जो जोक मारता है जब वो
Yeah,
गया
yeah. I think I love Tanmay Bhatt.
Yeah.
He's
Tanmay is too
and
good.
he's so good now. What happened?
he doesn't look good.
He looks good now.
क्या एक से now he has lost weight and all ठीक है तो he
But
looks
that
good.
doesn't mean
Guys, we can't talk
like
about this.
Karan
Let's be
Johar.
honest. दूसरे.
But he reminds me of Karan Johar.
He looks like Karan Johar now.
We both are very crazy fans of Tanmay. Are you?
No, I'm not.
No.
I love Samay, bro. I love Samay.
I love Samay.
But in this episode, there was like this big controversy. So there was this one lady, and she was talking about a certain celebrity's mental
Where?
health on
India has got
on
Latent.
And she said that the pregnancy पे she'll realize अभी mental health क्या होता है. And there was a very very big controversy regarding कि अभी like she can't make fun of somebody's mental health and all that. So what do you all think of that? That
Of
was
course,
joke
you
ठीक
can't
था.
make fun of someone. If you're my friend and everything, I'll make
Listen,
fun
if
of
this
you.
was off camera, na, you would be saying something else. Okay? Yeah.
No, I think if you're close to me, I can make fun of your mental health.
But you're
in a
going
way-
on a show like that, you're not supposed to take it seriously.
No, but if you are asking me individually, obviously there's a line. I might not like it, but well, the audience is buying it, so what can I say?
Yeah, and if you want to get famous, sometimes you have to give up on something.
Izzat.
I think
So
what
what
people do a lot for clout, to be
Yeah.
honest.
But it also gets like कभी कभी हमारी ना शिद्दत किसी एक इंसान के लिए बहुत ही ज्यादा हो जाती है हम उनके बहुत ही ज्यादा फैन बन जाते हैं एंड देन देयर इज लाइक वॉर ऑन द इंटरनेट एंड आउटसाइड वर्ल्ड ऑल्सो
Yeah.
कि किसका ज्यादा बड़ा फैंडम है सपोज फॉर एग्जाम्पल सिंघम 3 के ज्यादा बॉक्स ऑफिस कलेक्शन होगा या भूलभुलैया 3
Yeah.
और दोनों फ्रेंचाइजेस लोगों के बहुत फेवरेट है
Yeah.
बट दोनों ने एक दूसरे को टक्कर की वो दिया हैव यू गाइस सीन भूलभुलैया और सिंघम 3
I've seen
I've seen
both.
Bhulbulaiya.
I saw both.
And
What is your
honestly,
review?
I don't get the hatred. Like it's actually nice. The climax was nice.
Matlab, the first half did not make sense to me. The plot makes sense, but the way they got the story was very dumb. And
I agree to that.
yeah. And I saw Singham. I think it was a one-time watch. I liked the whole reference to the Ramayana thing. It's a one-time watch, but I found it much better than
But I still
Bhulbulaiya.
feel like the OG ones, the first sequels, they were the best.
Oh, that's unmatched.
But overall, Bhulbulaiya 3 was very mediocre.
I
But
agree.
with I like the franchise. ऐसा नहीं कि मुझे बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं आया. But I am just saying I had a lot more expectations. और जो plot था वो अच्छा था.
It came out too early, I think, also.
I know मुझे ऐसा लगता है वो plot के around world development नहीं की गई. उधर ज्यादा
वही ना
वो ऐसे
story
चल रही.
अच्छे नहीं बनाए because
हाँ.
it's been like Bhulbulaiya 1 and 2 में there was so much difference, time difference.
Yeah.
They made this in such a rush. so
It was a
didn't-
sensitive
Yeah.
topic also. So उसमें थोड़ा time देना चाहिए था, थोड़ा invest करना चाहिए था. I understand commercial film है,
Maybe
but
किया भी
still.
हो तो भी I think sometimes. Listen, you have movies like Brahmastra that the
They wait for
Ramayana
years
ones,
and stuff.
They worked for
Yeah.
years, but sometimes if something's not gonna work, it's
Yeah.
not gonna work.
No, but in Brahmastra, like the storyline only wasn't that great according to me. In this,
Yeah.
the plot was good. The ending
Yeah.
did
Yeah,
make sense, but they
correct.
did not make it
Connect we didn't connect
Yeah,
with it
yeah.
with Singham 3 it was like कि we know Rohit Shetty का क्या directorial style है हमको पता है कि वो कैसा बनाएगा तो we are
I
already
feel
going
like
with
there
that
were so many
mindset.
stars, there was so much excitement
Yes,
because of so many
yeah,
people. And
yeah.
I really liked the background music. हर कोई का entry का जो होता है.
yeah Kareena Kapoor I really like Avni like
Yeah.
Singham में उसका character I Avni बहुत
इतना
प्यारी
रोल
है.
नहीं था उसका, but yeah, it was good.
Actually यही होता है जब इतने सारे stars होते हैं ना the roles get divided. Screen time थोड़ा तो divide हो ही जाता है.
True, like
And इतना
I
male centric मतलब है भी
हाँ.
Singham. So you can't expect so much.
Guys can we talk about Coldplay Coldplay is coming to
Oh
India
God.
Oh
and the ticket
Right.
sales वाली भाई
Listen, हम
That is
3
crazy.
घंटे बैठे हैं उन टिकट्स के लिए.
I have not sat for that long.
Same.
I sat for half an
Can't
hour.
afford.
Yeah. But मतलब नहीं मिला यार. So much waiting, lakhs में waiting.
भाई वेटिंग करने के बाद भी लोगों को मिल रहा है, बट भाई बल्कि दिस इज अ न्यू बिजनेस डूड.
Reselling, bro.
Reselling
But it
tickets.
is
money.
insane.
Yeah.
That it's not normal. Like 12.5 के tickets, 7 lakhs is not. It's stupid.
एंड देयर आर लाइक वेबसाइट्स जो खुला खुला बेच रहे हैं.
अगर 6,000 की ticket you're selling it for 15-20,000, that's
Yeah.
still fine. But if you're
Yeah.
selling like a 12,000 ticket in lakhs, that's
मैं तो गोल्ड खरीद लूं.
इतने में तो धनतेरस का गोल्ड आ जाए यार.
True. Investment guys.
इन्वेस्टमेंट तो ये हमारी इन्वेस्टमेंट नहीं हो सकती था. मैं वही कह रही हूँ, क्या हो गया यूथ को. इन्वेस्टमेंट अच्छी जगह करो.
अगर तुम्हें इन पर्सन जाके देखने नहीं मिल रहा ना, तुम इंस्टाग्राम स्टोरीज पे देख ही लोगे.
देख ही लोगे.
देख
एग्जैक्टली.
ही लोगे. हर सॉन्ग
वो तो दिखेगा ही ना. Yeah.
And it's not just about Coldplay. If you see Karan Aujla के tickets, दिलजीत के
दिलजीत के टिकट्स.
Oh God.
बट आई थिंक दिलजीत के लिए तो मैं भी ले लूँ यार. मेरे को बड़ा मतलब कि यार इतना सोना मुंडा है.
मतलब ये क्या वो दिलजीत के लिए लेगी?
अच्छा गाना गाना अपना अपना देसी मुंडा है यार दिलजीत.
हम सब अपना एक कंट्रोवर्शियल ओपिनियन देते हैं. मेरा कंट्रोवर्शियल ओपिनियन ये है, आई पर्सनली फील ऑल द पंजाबी सिंगर्स साउंड द सेम. उनके गाने सेम होते हैं, उनकी बीट सेम होती है.
आई डिसएग्री.
ओके.
Even I don't agree.
Yeah, exactly.
You listen to Shub, you listen to Diljit, you listen to
Karan and Diljit,
AP.
the very different style.
Karan has a very different
yeah.
voice and all.
What is your controversial opinion?
Honestly, Taylor Swift fandoms, they get a bit too, like, you know, they
Taylor
pounce on you.
Swiftie.
Oh shit, okay. But I mean, I don't care about Taylor Swift as a person. Like, you know, she can, I think anyone can sing like her, just her lyrics that people,
Her lyrics are
It's
nice.
the
Her writing is
lyrics
nice.
that make her Taylor Swift.
yeah.
Oh, okay, brother.
So, I mean, that's what I'm saying. It's the lyrics, but she's a singer. I genuinely don't think there's, oh my god, in her voice, that, oh shit, bro, her voice is
Yeah.
crazy. There's so many people who sing better than her.
My controversial opinion is कि भाई मैंने रिसेंटली एक पोस्ट में ही पढ़ा था, बट एक्चुअली जो हमारे रियलिटी शोज होते हैं ना, बॉलीवुड वाइब्स या ट्राइब, दे आर नॉट एक्चुअली वेरी वेरी रियलिटी. लाइक
Of course, I mean,
Yeah.
वो तो
उतना
दिखता ही है.
है.
It's
हाँ, मैनिपुलेटेड होता है, but स्क्रिप्ट नहीं होती उनकी.
Yeah, the tribe I've not seen honestly because I don't think it's relevant enough for me to watch it. But
it was very blah.
It was like honestly.
Content.
हाँ, मतलब क्या करूँ मैं तुम्हारे कंटेंट का.
I've seen the reel, but in which one of the fathers of the
Yeah.
he's like making fun of the profession. So it's very real, bro.
जावेद जाफरी did that. कि ये
Yeah.
content creation जो है ना,
Yeah.
मुझे समझ नहीं आता.
But then that's just
That's
people of
just-
that generation, right? Like when I'm taking too many pictures, my mom's like, just get out of your phone and all of that. So like, even आप
But the
parents and
whole
everything-
show to me did not like. I don't get. I didn't watch it, but I don't
I
get the
feel
point.
like-
एंड तक उनको भी कंक्लूजन नहीं मिला था
और
कुछ.
मुझे ये भी लग रहा है
हाँ,
मुझे
क्या
ऐसे
point,
लगता
but
है
I
कि
don't
वो
know.
बहुत फेक. लोगों को समझ आ गया था स्टार्टिंग के 1-2 days में that it's very scripted and it's not as fun. Like बहुत सस्ता Kardashian
Like I know,
But I
कि
still
even
enjoy Bollywood
vibes.
vibes.
That's what I'm saying. To a certain point, that's also a bit fake, but I enjoy it.
I enjoy
watch
Bollywood
it.
vibes.
I
I
also
love
feel
Mahi
like
Pehle.
हम ना ये ट्राइब वालों से बहुत रिलेटेबिलिटी हो जाती है, but we are very inquisitive about these Bollywood lives वाला thing ना.
Like
Don't you all think?
मुझे
Yeah,
मतलब नहीं पता
especially-
inquisitive का मतलब.
अरे inquisitive मतलब
जिज्ञासा,
curiosity.
जिज्ञासा.
अच्छा, हिंदी का नहीं
जिज्ञासा,
पता.
हाँ.
But हाँ, जिज्ञासा.
I love Bollywood vibes.
Mahib is my spirit animal.
Mahib and Seema,
So,
yes.
I think I'm a mixture of all of these.
I like the first season the most.
First season was the best.
The
yeah.
second, third season, it kept getting lower for me. Like
Yeah.
Shalini was a great inclusion
But I
for
think
me.
the show revolved
but
around Shalini.
true.
But यार first और second season तो Mahib और सीमा खा गए literally.
हाँ,
I know.
agreed.
In third season, obviously we all loved Shalini Pasi, but you know I liked one more person. That's Neelam. Neelam was very good in the third
I
season.
like the whole diet ka thing. She does not give a shit.
मेरा diet गया चूल्हे में.
So guys, I have grown up watching and listening to One Direction.
Yeah.
Now Liam
हम सब भी ना, हम तो बुढ़े तो नहीं हो गए.
अब लियम चला गया है. What do you guys have to say?
Dude, I did not expect. मतलब everyone on the internet is also saying कि One Direction का reunion होएगा, that too at the funeral.
Oh
So
God.
yeah.
When I saw the clips, no,
Hmm.
I was literally bawling my eyes out. Like
I
genuinely, I
didn't
felt
cry.
so sad.
But,
Same, even I
mean,
didn't cry.
No, I cried, bro. I am very like that.
I like One Direction, but I don't think I was
love them, but
attached
I would
to
not
One
cry. But also, like, people are linking Liam's death to Diddy. Like, everybody's heard the Diddy controversy, right?
Yeah.
You heard about it.
I have no idea.
So, you don't know about the Diddy.
Absolutely.
बता.
It's like basically, I mean, I don't know everything in detail, but I've seen a lot, I've heard a lot, that everybody who wins the Grammy, like, they have to thank Beyonce, and if they don't thank her, they end up usually, like, even Michael Jackson ka death is being linked to Beyonce and Diddy and all of that. So there are theories that Beyonce was staying in the same...
Illuminati.
Yes.
Hmm.
Beyonce was staying in the same hotel as Liam.
Yeah.
When he passed away.
Yeah.
And he was not, he was very open about Diddy not being a great guy and all of that, and he was not a Beyonce fan either. He did sell stuff, so people were linking his
Okay.
death to, because it was very unexpected, his death, like
Yeah,
not like he
and
was
then it was also like that you fell from there.
third
and all
floor,
that,
like
yeah.
somebody falls on the third floor, and you know
वो मेरे को थोड़ा अजीब लगा.
थोड़ा
but-
सा वो gimmicky लग तो रहा था, but then you don't have proof, right?
yeah.
And I also don't like the pap culture that you know,
Yeah.
somebody's at a funeral.
That is
Leave them
very harsh.
alone.
That's true, yeah.
That's not fair.
That is not right. I don't think you should even cover funerals.
Exactly.
No, ये
But then at the end of the day, it's the work, they get money for it, so then they are going to go ahead.
this has to come like उनके heads के through ना dude. वो भी किन के अंदर काम कर रहे हैं. They should have the brain
But
because
no,
And
yeah.
as people,
लोग तो
as
देख नहीं
society,
रहे हैं ना।
हमारी भी responsibility है ना.
Yeah, yes.
But
No,
हम उस चीज को ज्यादा
honestly,
नहीं push
whether you're
करें.
criticizing it or whether you're giving attention, it's getting attention, they're going to get money out of it. So they're going to be
And
doing it.
हमारी भी गलती है.
Consume it, हम consume कर रहे हैं, हमारी भी गलती है.
Likes कर रहे हैं, share कर रहे हैं, सब कर रहे हैं dude.
जब नहीं आएगा तब हम कहेंगे हमें चाहिए और all that.
हमारी ही गलती है, मतलब कि no genuinely हमारी गलती है, and that is
ये
something.
subconsciously हो जाता है.
हाँ, but we should work on that. We should, you should too.
I think because of a funeral, ये Bollywood vibes हुआ था, right? They were
Oh yeah, the Karan Johar story.
Yeah.
So-
So funerals are not a bad thing after all. I mean,
मतलब Karan
maybe
got a
that's just some
story.
good things
Yeah.
like fabulous lives.
Yeah, that is true. But उनकी personality dude वैसी है.
कभी कभी ऐसा भी होता है ना कि वो अपनी पर्सनालिटी को थोड़ा एक्सेंचुएट करते हैं फॉर शोज. मैं रियल लाइफ में अगर इतना ड्रामा नहीं करूंगी एक सिचुएशन के पीछे, बट इफ आई नो दैट देयर आर कैमरास, मैं थोड़ा ओवर रिएक्ट करूंगी.
Like right
मैं
now.
थोड़ा ड्रामा करूंगी लाइक राइट नाउ.
Like right now, हम इतने ऐसे नहीं है, थोड़े अलग है, थोड़ा ड्रामा हम करते
थोड़े
हैं.
प्रिटेंशियस है.
हाँ.
I'm like this.
But we have the guts to talk about it. Sorry.
But coming to Karan Johar and all that, recently he sold half of Dharma to Adar Poonawalla, right?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
So that was, shocking me.
Is that the reason we have dramatic productions now?
Dramatic.
No, that was the Dharmatic is for the OTT. something
Yes,
like that.
OTTs ऐसे जो हमारे जो Tribe, Bollywood Wives,
Yeah.
all of that is produced by Dharma. And Dharmatic is like completely वो OTT वगैरह के लिए Fame Games and all of that.
People said कि Karan Johar is like going down and all of that. That's why he decided to. I don't know.
He
It's
has
just
like so
controversy.
many क्या कहते हैं यार उसके खुद
कितनी
के अंदर
सारी
इतने
चीजें कर रही है
प्रोडक्शंस हाउस
Karan.
हैं.
Yeah,
वो
true.
भी.
But again, Adar Poonawalla is not really an industry. I mean, he's
Yeah.
known, of course, but he's not a director or anybody like that who's going to help
He
him out.
sold it to him. तो उसके
Lately
अंदर
the
people
movie-
will be doing
Of
the
course,
job.
The main point is कि
business point of view से दिया है खाली उसको.
शायद ऐसा हो सकता है बट शायद ये भी हो सकता है. देखो लेटली वी हैव टू अग्री टू अ फैक्ट द फिल्म्स आर नॉट एग्जैक्टली वर्किंग सो दे आर डूइंग गुड इन द बॉक्स ऑफिस बट टिल अ सर्टेन लेवल. जितना होना चाहिए, जितना पैसा लगा है उतना. जैसे जिगरा, ओके आई हैव टू से दिस, जिगरा वाज अ अमेजिंग फिल्म बट इट डिडंट get the box office
Can I
collection.
say something? I don't think it was an amazing film.
It was an amazing
I
film
think
in
it
my
was a decent
opinion.
film. Like, I mean, I've seen. I don't think Alia Bhatt did anything extraordinary. I know she can act like that.
See,
well.
that's what it is.
With-
Even if she
yeah.
does a good job, we have such
You have
high
expectations. True. But then, I mean, once you've created, then you have to live up to it.
No, that's your opinion. I completely, like वो मैं तुझे
Makes
करती हूँ
sense,
respect, but जिगरा cinematically and everything, उसकी story line, उसकी cinematography, उसका sound, everything was too good.
regarding Jigra also, there was
Yeah.
one more controversy with this.
What?
Deepa
Yeah,
Khosla
I know.
Kumar.
Yeah,
She had a movie that she said ki it's similar to that, the story of that. I think it's
Also
called
that and-
Salva, something like that.
सावी करके फिल्म थी. वो भी ओके सो I'll tell this thing कि भाई जो ये सावी करके फिल्म थी ये completely अलग है. दोनों में बस कॉमन बात ये है कि ये
It's a breakout, jail
जेल ब्रेक
breakout.
फिल्म है. इट्स अ ब्रेकआउट फिल्म, ठीक है.
And दिव्या ने ये भी कहा था कि जिगरा में पूरे थिएटर्स उन लोगों ने बुक कर दिए थे.
हाँ.
And
But that's true. When I went for Jigra, I mean, there wasn't really much audience.
Yeah.
So yeah.
So
But then they had a fight. मतलब ऐसे silent fight चल रहा था over stories with like
It was
between
not so
Karan and-
silent after a point.
I
It was
mean, like,
very obvious.
yeah, it was obvious, but then
Yeah.
they've not. Karan didn't make it obvious, but Divya was making it obvious.
So I'll tell you with ये मेरी अपनी कैलकुलेशन अलग चलती रहती है. मैंने जिगरा 3 बार देखी तो मुझे 2 बार तो मतलब कि थोड़ा थिएटर भरा हुआ मिला मिडल ऐसे, बट थर्ड टाइम पे मुझे भी नहीं मिला. आई थिंक जिगरा के साथ एक और चीज़ हो गई दैट फर्स्टली एक और फिल्म के साथ उसका क्लैश हुआ. विकी और विद्या को वायरल वीडियो ओकेश फिल्म वन टाइम वॉच, ठीक है, बट विद जिगरा ये लोग ना बहुत गलत टाइम में फिल्म रिलीज हुई है ड्यूरिंग नवरात्रि.
Yeah,
that's true.
और जहाँ पे बॉक्स ऑफिस कलेक्शन बहुत इनका दब गया था, लोग नहीं जा रहे थे उस टाइम पे क्योंकि इतना फेस्टिव वाला सीजन था, वो दिवाली फलाना ढिमकाना एवरीथिंग वाज गोइंग ऑन. भाई
और ऐसा नहीं कि प्रमोशंस भी नहीं किए, इतने इन्होंने प्रमोशंस भी किए, बट इट्स जस्ट सच कि उनकी टाइम ऑफ रिलीज वाज वेरी ऑफ.
टाइम ऑफ रिलीज रियली मैटर्स.
विद आल्सो दैट मुझे ऐसे लगता है कि हम नेपो इतना बोलते हैं. यू लुक एट जॉनी लीवर्स डॉटर.
She's actually good.
She is so good.
शी इज टू गुड.
Yeah.
मतलब यार ऐसे टैलेंट को तो करो यार, आगे करो. शी इज
But again,
गुड
not like she's getting many roles, and I
Yeah.
don't know if she wants to get into film industry. I don't know what she's doing.
शी इज डूइंग गुड ऑन सोशल मीडिया.
Yeah, social media I've seen her.
There are so many star kids who are good, who are doing good on social media, and they've made it very obvious that we don't want to go to the वो बॉलीवुड रूट नहीं लेना है हमें, हमें सोशल मीडिया पे रहना है. They're doing their influencing, they're doing something else, and all of that. Like,
But that something else is always influencing only.
Yeah.
you know, so many other people. Like, if you see R. Madhavan's son,
He's a swimmer, yeah.
he's
a swimmer.
representing India
Yeah,
on a very good level, and all of that.
That's
Then
one
there's-
example.
There might be many. We do not know.
ओके दैट इज वेरी नेचुरल ऑल्सो. हमारे टाइम पे भी क्या होता है कि भाई डॉक्टर का बेटा मोस्टली डॉक्टर होता है.
Yeah, agreed.
तुम जिस इंटरेस्ट के अराउंड, जैसे आई एम ऑल्सो लाइक इनटू फिल्म्स एंड एवरीथिंग एंड लाइक डांस एंड ऑल, बिकॉज माय डैड वाज आल्सो फ्रॉम द क्या कहते हैं डांस
I'm
एरिया
all
एंड
for
बैकग्राउंड.
nepotism.
I was just
actually.
gonna say that.
Because I mean, if
Yeah.
I want to get into somewhere, if my dad has connections, he is going to use it. He's my father.
100%.
So Vidhu Vinod Chopra and Anupama Chopra's son, he is a cricketer and he's doing really well. So it doesn't have to necessarily be like if your parents are from the industry, you're taking the same route. And cricketing mein, it's literally about your talent. Like it's
Angad
not like
Bedi
no
ke-
nepotism works there.
Angad Bedi ke dad, he was a cricketer. He also wanted to pursue cricket, but now he's in acting because maybe he
Same, even
found his calling.
Deepika's dad was a badminton player.
Yeah.
And even she did go into that, but then she
But you have
wanted-
athletic
she
genes
chose.
and getting into Bollywood is a different
Yeah,
thing. But
yeah.
being a part of Bollywood and getting into, you know, a sport, that's a little more difficult for you to crack.
जिसको जो पसंद है वो करे, सबका भला चंगा. चलो ठीक है.
भगवान सबका भला करे, बट शुरुआत मुझसे करे.
मुझसे करे प्लीज.
It's a dialogue ना.
हाँ मे बी.
From Tarak Mehta.
I have no
I
idea.
haven't watched it, sorry.
You haven't seen Tarak Mehta?
बहुत कम.
तारक
बहुत
मेहता
कम.
bro. क्योंकि वो तो चल नहीं रहा है.
ठीक है.
See, at the end of the day, it's the, I mean, especially in the film industry, if people are not going to like you, the audience is not going to like you. Whether
Yeah.
how much ever your father or mother is pushing you.
हमने इसके बारे में अपने फर्स्ट एपिसोड में भी बात की थी. अगर आप इस इंडस्ट्री के लिए नहीं बने हो, ऑडियंस आपको ना का साइन दिखा देगी एंड देन बाय बाय. नेपोटिज्म से याद आया, आहान पांडे इज डेब्यूइंग
Oh yeah.
with this Big Girls Don't Cry की एक अनीता पादा, I guess. I think her name is Anita Pada. हाँ, and the film is getting directed by Mohit Suri, and Yash Raj is producing the film, dude.
I mean,
Yash Raj.
I'm actually quite excited.
YRF, okay.
हाँ, YRF, bro. I'm actually quite excited to see this pair and like how the stories will
yeah,
be.
and it's very fresh, no? So we don't have a preconceived notion about
Yeah.
these two. And I think Ahan Pandey
But I
looks very
find him
similar
very
to.
cute, yeah.
He looks very similar to Vedang Raina.
No.
No,
Yeah.
no.
Let us know in the comments what do you think about this, guys.
Also, Aryan Khan is directing a
Oh,
film,
yes.
a Netflix
Yeah.
film.
Dir-
I think with Gauri Khan.
Direct हो गया है, release होने
हाँ,
वाला है.
मतलब release हो रही है
हाँ.
Netflix पे. हाँ.
Yes. But after a long time, you know, कि एक
Actor
इतने
का बेटा
बड़ा
director बन
स्टार
रहा
का बेटा डायरेक्टर लाइक
कर रहा
डायरेक्शन
है.
में जा रहा है.
That's
So that's
happened before, na?
That has happened
After a
before,
long
but
time.
हाँ. So can I
उसके बाद-
officially say welcome to the game segment, guys.
What is one weird food combination that you've tried that you liked? Yeah, not liked. whatever.
Okay, so milkshake and McD वाले fries, जो McD का strawberry
I
milkshake
have
होता है
tried
fries.
that. I like it.
I like it.
I was gonna say the same thing. I've had
Vanilla
milkshake,
ice
not
cream
with
and-
fries, but with chips, potato chips.
Yeah.
I like that. Like Oreo milkshake with potato chips. I think that's
I'm the most standard and basic food eater, bro. मुझे ये सब
Also, I've heard one thing कि there's that, you know, I think people sell it a lot also. There's chocolate dosa. I don't like that. Like I've
I
never
like
had
chocolate
it.
sandwich.
I like chocolate
don't think.
momos.
I like chocolate sandwich
That's
because it
Nutella-
tastes
that's
exactly
Nutella-
like
that's
waffles.
Nutella bread.
Yeah,
Yeah.
no, but it tastes like waffles. So I mean,
Okay.
I mean, I've personally never been a fan.
But we also have some weird food combinations.
Yes, we
Not
have
really.
team has
weird
prepared.
food combinations that our team is gonna like give us today,
अभी
and
पता
we're gonna
चला है.
try and test it.
I'm too scared. If
So-
my stomach
I'm excited.
is upset tomorrow, oh God.
Okay, so the first combination जो इन्होंने हमको दिया है is cheese with honey. Let's see.
Yuck.
I'm nervous.
Listen, you've not did this. What is this?
Okay,
Guys,
guys.
no.
Guys, let's do cheers and let's just.
Dip it properly.
This is the max I'm doing.
ये देख अच्छे से करा है अभी चलो ओके मैं अच्छे से करता तो अच्छे से नहीं किया
Guys, मैं खा रही
गाइस
हूँ।
जल्दी बस
मैं खा रही हूँ.
ओके नहीं वेट ओके 1 2 3 गो इट्स नॉट बैड एक्चुअली वेट
Not bad.
इट्स नॉट बैड
Opinion.
नाइस यार
I like it.
okay so the first combination was cheese and honey and it's a thumbs up from my side
Thumbs up for me.
yeah and okay next combination is dairy milk and
Dairy milk and salsa.
sauce
Yeah.
okay let's go
I can't go.
okay this
You
is
take up
already-
probably if you look at how dip.
hey,
This is too much, bro.
This is too much.
Yeah,
Yeah, this is nice.
okay, go.
Let's go. One.
Disgusting.
I want to puke.
This is bad.
Yeah.
This is really bad. I want to puke.
Yuck.
Okay, so this combination was blah. Zero.
Disgusting.
Minus.
This is minus, dude. So the next combination is green lace and Szechuan. Okay.
She's on serious. I think it's normal. I think it'll be good.
Yeah. Hopefully.
You try first.
Huh.
I don't like it.
I don't like it.
I like it.
No, it's weird.
I think we are on the same page and she's the
Yeah,
odd
she is
one
weird.
out.
I like it. It's fine.
It's spicy. I like the Szechuan because it's spicy, but I don't like it together.
I think I like
even
it.
have these chips with chipotle sauce, so I like it.
Chipotle is
The
different,
sauce
dude.
only.
Chipotle is nice.
But I like it.
I like ये दोनों चीजें separately, not together.
Can I get the
It's a
lace?
thumbs up from me.
It's
It's
Actually, I don't know.
Mid.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a,
That's it for the game segment. But now let's move on to the why not segment. तो बता दो क्या है आज का why not question?
The why not question for today is why not have Bollywood stars spill their own gossip on Coffee with Karan? Would the show survive?
yeah. Gossip
think,
कहीं भी दो, कोई भी दो, I think it will survive.
It will
But I
survive.
think that's what they're technically doing through the
Yeah.
questions and all.
Janvi
when
did
they
that.
answer.
Oh my God, yes, and all that.
Yeah, but all of them, not just her, everybody, when they've been asking rapid fire questions and all, things about them indirectly are coming out. So
Yeah.
that's what they're doing.
And उनको
sometimes
पता
they
है.
deliberately do it also.
उनको पता है.
That's why the last season that came out did not do very well because people were playing it safe.
Yeah.
He was also playing it safe
Yes.
himself. So that's why I didn't do that well. People want gossip. The whole point of that show is if you're going to do it, you might as
बट
well gossip.
गॉसिप पता है क्या उससे पहले वाला जो सीजन था वो भी इतना काम इसलिए नहीं किया क्योंकि इट वाज लाइक टू मच ऑन द पर्सनल लाइव्स एंड फलाना ढिमकाना आई थिंक द करेक्ट अमाउंट ऑफ गॉसिप और ये सब जो अच्छा है ना वो जो इनिशियल कॉफी
Third, fourth season तक बहुत मजा आया.
बहुत मजा आया था आई लाइक द सेवेंथ सीजन ऑल्सो
Yeah.
I feel
I like
like-
coffee awards also. They're fun.
I liked the last episode, the one with Ori.
Yeah,
That
it
was fun.
It was fun.
Yeah.
It was fun.
So also, but I think because so many seasons and they brought the same people also again and again. Now we
Yeah.
need new people, new gossip.
करण
Abhi
के लिए इट्स
the
लाइक
people.
नहीं मैं कह रही थी करण के लिए वो एडिंग टू दैट थिंग करण के लिए और ही वाज लाइक अ न्यू एडिशन ही वाज लाइक कंप्लीट अगर उसको लगता कि
So
वो
that
ओवर द टॉप
created the buzz,
हाँ,
yeah.
वैसा.
But like we've seen the same like Saif Ali Khan and you get Alia Bhatt and Istidar
Kareena
Firoz and all like the
every
same
season
people
of
every
Coffee.
season.
Yeah.
But
I
then
love
he
Kareena.
They've
does
grown
this-
up, so people know everything about them also by now. So there's nothing new.
But then there's always something new, na?
But
Whatever
you know,
there
very
is-
much, if you pick up a newcomer, like if you pick up like you know Suhana Khan and all those people are just coming up right now, or you know new act like Kriti Sanar and Kartik Aaryan and all were there, that also blew up a lot. When it was Ananya Pandey, Tara Sutaria, the student of the year,
Yeah,
cast,
yeah.
that also blew up and stuff.
Can I tell you one thing? The thing is कि with द एज ऑफ सोशल मीडिया द थिंग इज न्यूज ना पहले ही आ जाती है. पहले उनके पास कॉफी विद करण सोर्स था कि उनका वो सोर्स था
Exactly my
कि उनको
point,
स्पाइस उतना पता चलता था. बहुत कम ऐसे चैनल्स होते थे जहाँ पे बहुत स्पेसिफिकली टाइम पे ऐसे ऐसे गॉसिप वाले खबरें होती थी. बट दैट वाज लाइक एक टाइप का यूथ ही देख रही थी, जहाँ हमारे टाइप की जनरेशन देख रही थी. बट विद सोशल मीडिया एवरीवन इज देयर, एवरीवन इज एक्टिव. और न्यूज कॉफी विद करण में आने से पहले उधर पहले आ जाती है.
Exactly.
कॉफी विद करण में कौन सा गेस्ट आएगा पहले हम एक्साइटेड हुआ करते थे, बट नाउ वी
पहले
ऑलरेडी
ही आ जाता है. We see their pictures on social media. It just gets leaked.
या सो नाउ दैट वी नो एवरीथिंग. तो हम हमारा वो हो गया कि
Inquisitive नहीं है हम उसके बारे में कि क्या होगा कैसा
Correct.
होगा. Half the things we already know about it, and sometimes कभी कभार कुछ एकदम आउट ऑफ द वर्ल्ड कुछ
हाँ.
गॉसिप मिल जाता है एंड देन दैट टेक्स अवे द एंटायर.
द रीजन दीपिका और रणवीर का वो इतना ब्लू हो गया एपिसोड
Because their wedding
Yeah.
video, yeah.
because of their wedding video or whatever reels were made on that.
They never released their wedding video ever. That was the first time they released their wedding video publicly. So,
There are many couples that haven't released. Alia and
But-
Ranveer also haven't released. Baki other than that everybody's
Yeah.
released.
बट पता है विद दिस ऑल्सो आई वांट टू से कि अब वेडिंग का भी ना वो थोड़ा कम हो गया एक्साइटमेंट. पीपल आर नॉट दैट इंटरेस्टेड
पहले
इन
शादी अभी बच्चे का हो रहा है ना, बट अभी बेबीज का हो रहा है.
so the big weddings were basically Anushka Virat, Alia Bhatt,
Apparently people were like in an
Anushka
interview,
started the whole wedding. Like मैंने थोड़ी शादियां शुरू की है.
Anushka Virat, Sonam, I guess, Alia Bhatt, Ranveer and Deepika. So these were like the top weddings, and I think Siddharth and Kiara
That blew up.
and
like,
Vicky and Kat.
Yeah, I think yeah. Even like Kunal Raval and Arpita Mehta's wedding.
Yeah.
Adana Pandey's wedding. Bro, she minted money out of it. Like
Yeah.
she blew up with her wedding. And her aesthetics and everything, it was out of the world. Like
I think हमको चाहे जो भी लग रहा हो कि कंटेंट क्रिएशन में कुछ भी क्यों ना हो रहा हो, बट वो पैसा बहुत कमाते हैं.
That's true.
उसकी अगर आपको कंटेंट क्रिएशन के ऊपर अगर
For that
ऐसे
matter.
सेलिब्रिटी ऐसे इन्फ्लुएंसर मार्केटिंग के ऊपर अगर आपको कुछ जानना है तो देयर इज वन मोर एपिसोड, यू कैन चेक इट आउट, एपिसोड नंबर 3. बट विद दैट वी रैप आज का वीडियो. राइट, एनीथिंग एल्स टू से? अगर बोलना भी है तो बात के लिए बचाओ. ठीक है ठीक है. लाइक
Share.
and subscribe.
एंड कमेंट डाउन बिलो. हमको बताओ यार एपिसोड कैसा
Tell
लगा
us
था.
your favorite weird food combination.
यस एंड टेल अस अगर आपके पास भी कोई गॉसिप है तो हमको अच्छा लगता है.
रिश्ता को पता चल जाएगा जो
हाँ,
भी
obviously. ठीक है, चलो बाय बाय. कीप वॉचिंग माय नॉट.
I like Bollywood Wives का. I like the first season. I like
Be loud. I like the first season.
I like the